Question number 13. Find the equations of two straight lines drawn through the point. Drawn to the point. 0, 1. Point are given, you can find the equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Let's say this is x1 and y1. x1, y1. How will you write equation? Y minus 1, y1 is equal to m x minus 0. So y minus 1 is equal to mx, or I can write mx is equal to y minus 1, or mx minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation. Equation will be what? Mx minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what form? Which form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I have to write in that form. Now, perpendicular drop from the point 2, 2. Perpendicular drop from the point 2, 2. On this line, mx minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Are each of unit length. Unit length, this is 1. So I can write perpendicular distance 1 is equal to mx minus y plus 1. M mod of m at the place of x I have to write m into 2 minus y. So plus 1 upon root of a square plus b square. M square plus b square is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. This is minus 1 whole square. So you will get 1. 2m minus 2 plus 1. So that is minus 1 upon root of m square plus 1. So mod of 2m minus 1 is equal to root of m square plus 1. Mod of 2m minus 1 is equal to root of m square plus 1. So I can write two values. What will I write? 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1. Mod of 2m minus 1 is equal to what? Root of m square plus 1. So I can write root and here. So both whole square both the sides. So here also it will be what? 2m minus 1 whole square. If it is plus also or negative also, both will be what? Whole square only. Negative square will be positive only. So squaring both the sides. Squaring both sides. You will get 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. Is it clear? So 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to, I am writing here. So 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. Why I didn't solve directly? 2m minus 1 mod is equal to what? Root of m square plus 1. Mostly I am writing 2m minus 1 is equal to what? Plus minus root of m square plus 1. But it is in root, so better I will square both the sides. That's why I am doing this. So you will get what? This is what? 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. So you know if x square is equal to a. So x is equal to what? Plus minus a. So I can write 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to this. So 2m minus 1 is equal to what? Plus minus m square plus 1. X is equal to what? Plus minus root of a. Is it clear? So 1 minute. 2m minus 1 is equal to root of m square. No, again it will be problematic. Better it is to solve like this only. 2m minus 1 whole square. Again there will be a problem. So again it will come in root. Because if I will write x square is equal to a, so x will equal what? Plus minus root a. Again it will come in root. So better I will solve this. 2m minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square. So 4m square minus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 2m into 1. So 4m plus 1 whole square. So 1 is equal to m square plus 1. So 4m square. This m square will come this side. Minus m square minus 4m plus 1, and this plus 1 will come this side, so minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 4m square minus m square, that is 3m square minus 4m square is 0. So 3m square is equal to 4m. So you know this m and 1m will be cancelled. So 3m is equal to what? 4. Or m is equal to 4 by 3. M is equal to what? 4 by 3. And one more thing you can do here, from here only. Don't cut this m. Two values you will get. Here you can do m is common. 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. So two cases are there. M is equal to 0 and 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3m is equal to what? 4. So m is equal to 4 by 3. So two values you are getting. M is equal to 0 and m is equal to 4 by 3, because you have to find the equation of two straight lines. M is equal to 0, m is equal to 4 by 3. Substitute in the equation. Equation is what? mx minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our equation. So I will substitute the value. One equation will be what? Mx, m is 0. So 0x, so 0 only. So minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, or minus is common, so y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation, and y minus 1 is equal to 0. There is, I have to substitute 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So by taking LCM, so it will be 4x minus here 1. So 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So equation will be 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. Thank you.